time to let our hair down and have some fun. We'll party all night and bring some rumble.
Can you believe that the awesome song you just heard was created using AI technology? No, right? So in this tutorial, I will show you how to create your very own custom song with just 3 clicks. Even if you have no musical experience, let's get started. Make sure to watch the video all the way through. At the end of the video, I will show you how you can create the lyrics using ChatGPT and create the song. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. So this is the tool app.songr.ai. So I will provide the link of this tool in the description. You can check it later. So this tool helps us to create complete song, like creating the lyrics and making the song. Here you don't need to sign up to use this tool. You can directly use. Here you can see pick a genre and the enter your prompt. So here are different genres are here: pop, hip hop, cafe, piano, rock. So based on your need, you can just create the song. So let's create the pop song. So just go to the pop, just click on pop, and here you can see, here is the example given text box: happy birthday John, the solar system. So if you want that this tool should write the lyrics for us, so we can just type here the title of the song. And we can write down the song is inspired by whom, which singer. Here is one more option: I have my own lyrics. So first of all, we will see that how we can just generate the complete song through Songr, and then later we will add our own lyrics. So here I want to know about the who are the top pop singers. So I'll just search here top pop singers. In the ChatGPT, I'm just searching top pop singers. Okay, so they are saying Taylor Swift. Okay, these are Justin Bieber. So I'll just copy one of the. I'll just go in here. I'll just give the name as I Love You Forever. And I'm saying inspired by. I just copied inspired by Taylor Swift. And here is the arrow, just click on that arrow. So here you can see we got the lyrics from this tool, edit your pop lyrics. So if you want to edit something, so you can just edit as well. If you don't like something, some words, so you can do that as well. And here are the two voices. Here are two voices, Emily and Kevin. So Emily is a girl and Kevin is a boy. So we can decide we want female or male voice. Okay, I'll just first go with the male voice. Okay, Kevin. And if you don't like, if you don't like this lyrics, you can just click on this try again and you will get another lyrics. Okay, you can see the lyrics are changed. And if you want to clear this, so you can just click on clear. I'll just click on render to create this song. Hold on, songs can take up to 30 seconds. So this is the song generated. Okay, I'll just play it.
Once upon a time, I met a girl so fine. I knew I loved her from the start. Now I can't imagine life without her. She's the one I want to be with forever. I love her with all my heart, and I promise to never let her go. She's my everything and I'll always be there for her. I will love her forever. Together we'll always be. Our love will never die. I will love her forever.
So this was the song. This is really interesting. We just type some text to get the song. We got the lyrics and we got the complete song as well. Here is the option, okay, to download. we can download as well. Just click on download to download video and audio. So if we download as a video, so we will get the subtitles as well, lyric subtitles. So I just download it as a MP4 and I'll download as a audio as well. We downloaded the song with lyrics. This is really cool. So if you want to restart, you can just click on the restart. Now we will try the different genre, that is the hip hop. So I'll just say here, I can dance like nobody can. So if you want that some song is inspired by some particular singer, so you can just search on Google like who is the good in that particular genre, and you can just write down comma inspired by. Okay, but I'm not writing right now. So I can dance like nobody can. Okay, this is the song name I have given. I'll just click on this arrow to generate the lyrics. So this lyrics has generated. Okay, I'll make it in female voice and just click on render. So it will take 30 seconds only. So the time it takes, it's really very less, because normally the AI tools take a lot of time, but it is not taking that much of time. So this is really amazing. The song is generated now. You can see it just a 12 second, but it will increase. Okay, I'll just play it.
I can dance like nobody can. I can groove to any beat. I can get down on the floor and make everyone move. Nobody can do it like me. I'm in the zone when the music is on, and I just can't help but move. My body's shaking, my feet are tapping. I just can't control myself. Nobody can do it like me. I can dance like nobody can.
Yeah, so I found this song better than the pop song. This is really good. Okay, you can download if you want. I'll just restart and show you the another genre song. Cafe genre, I'm just writing let's party all night. Yeah, we got the lyrics. I'll just render. Let's play.
It's time to let our hair down and have some fun. We'll party all night and drink some rumble till we feel alright. No need to be uptight. We'll be dancing all night. So let's get this party started right. There's a full moon shining bright, so let's go out and paint the town. We'll party all night till we see the sunrise. We'll dance and we'll sing and we'll have a blast. We'll party all night and we'll sleep all day. So let's get this party started right. It's time to let our hair down and have some fun. We'll party all night and drink some rumble till we feel alright.
Yeah, it's done. So this was also really impressive. I couldn't stop phrasing because I really liking this thing. This is just insane. Restart. I'll just restart and will show you last genre, and after that I will show you how you can generate the lyrics using ChatGPT. So piano rock, I'll just write Mr. India loves India. I'll just generate the lyrics. let's render it. I'll just make it emaily voice. Let's
Mr. India loves India. He loves the land and the sea. He loves the mountains and the plains. He loves the people and the animals. He loves the trees and the flowers. He loves the sun and the rain. He loves the country and the culture. He loves the food and the music. He loves the language and the tradition. He loves everything about India. And India loves Mr. India like
Yeah, it's done. So as per my promise, now I will show you how you can create the lyrics using ChatGPT and create the song. So I'll just go to ChatGPT and I'll just say, write a sad song in 100 words, inspired by Justin Bieber, and the song title, I Will Not Forgive You. Okay, just hit the enter button. I'm getting the lyrics, you can see. So we can just copy and paste there. So it is generated. So I'll just copy, I'll go to Songr, I'll go to pop, I'll just click on pop, and here is the option, I have my own lyrics. Okay, I'll just click on that, I have my own lyrics, and here is the text box. I'll just copy paste and I'll just remove this verse 1, chorus, okay, whatever the extra thing which I don't think that should be part of the song. So that was just for our understanding, a ChatGPT written, but I removed it. So I think we added more character. So I'll just remove some paragraph, okay, so that it fit in here. Okay, so I'll just write down this much only. So there is some limit, we need to follow that limit. So we can just write down in the ChatGPT as well the limit, like I want song in this much words. You can do that. I'll just click on render now. Yeah, we got the song. I'll just play it.
I thought we had something special, but now I see it was just a game. You played with my heart, it was so awful. I thought I was the only one, but I was to blame. I will not forgive you for breaking my heart. I will not forget you, but we're worlds apart. All those sweet words you said, they were just lies. I will not forgive you for making me cry. I gave you my all, but it wasn't enough. You took what you wanted and left me with the pain. I thought we had a love that was tough, but now I see it was just a game. I will not forgive you for breaking my heart. I will not forget you, but we're worlds up.
Interesting, right? So you can also download this. Just click on download audio and it will be downloaded. So this was pretty easy, right? This is making this job really easy. I can't say like whatever output we are getting is really amazing, but in future this will improve a lot and it can easily create the songs which like we make, the original songs we make. AI will also be able to make songs like that. So this was about the tool. You can find the link of this tool in the description. If you like this video, do like and subscribe to our channel. It's free for you, but it can really help me. Thank you so much. Click on the left video if you want to create cartoon from an image, and click on the right video to learn creating animation from simple drawings.